I'm going to discuss about organizational patterns in retailing. This is one of the major important topic in retail management. So in every retail organization, there can be different type of organization chart they are following. There can be functional organization chart, product organization chart, geographic organization chart, combination organization chart. So functional organization chart mainly focusing on different function, and the product, that is the second one, product is mainly focusing on different kind of product. So the duties are allocated to the individual based on the product category. The third one is geographic organization chart. It's based on the location. The fourth one is combination, which means it include all the functional, product and geographic organization charts. So this chart can be seen in different type of stores. Next one is the organization patterns in retailing is different from store to store. So there are mainly four different kind of arrangement, that is organization arrangement used by small independent retailer, organization arrangement used by departmental store, organization arrangement used by chain retailers, and the last one is organizational arrangements used by diversified retailers. So understanding each is very important uh, in retail management. So here we are going to discuss about each by one and one. So first one, that is organizational arrangement used by small independent retailers. So in this type of retail shop, small independent retailers use very simple arrangement with only two or three level of employees, and mainly in that organization the manager personally runs a firm and oversees the workers, and here there is only few employees, and the main speciality is that there is very little specialization, maybe there is no specialization at all. So mainly one or two employees or very little employees are there, their duties are specified, uh, they are performing their duties and in a very uncomplicated manner or uncomplicated arrangement. And this does not mean fewer activity, but it must be performed, but many tasks are performed relative to the number of workers. Each employee must allot each part of his work very effectively. So this figure show how an small independent organization structure really work. So in the figure A, it show the organization chart for a ladies clothing boutique. So here we can see that there is an owner or the manager, and next one there is a merchandising personnel, and there is an operations personnel, and the second one there is organization chart for a furniture store, that is owner manager, and here there is a bedroom furniture personnel, then there is a living room furniture personnel, then there is a dining room furniture personnel, and there is a furniture rental personnel. Here it's mainly focusing on very few employees with very little or very no specialization at all, but they perform their duties very effectively. And the next one is organization arrangements used by departmental store. So we know that there are different or many departmental store continue to use an organizational arrangement, that is an adaptation of the Mazur plan. So here the Mazur plan is basically like this. Each activity or the retail activity is divided into four major functional area. It's based on the mainly the duties or what's the function they want to perform. So here there are mainly four types of functional area, that is store management, communications, merchandising and financial accounting. When coming to the store management, there are dealt with the operations, customer service, human resource, inventory, and other store maintenance service. Then communication related to public relation, merchandising, buying, selling, stock planning, forecasting, and financial planning dealt with the controlling and managing all this financial matters. And this figure typically show how this departmental stores are uh, like this. Like there is a store president, general manager, omni channel manager, and under that there is store manager, communications manager, merchandising manager, controller. Under that, based on the functional area, there are different category heads. So this is mainly the departmental store look like there are different category. They have some specialized duties to perform, mainly financial, store maintenance, or different duties to perform. Likewise, based on the duties they want to perform, each area is categorized into different. So this is basically how a modern version of the Mazur organization plan for the departmental store. Next one is organizational arrangement used by chain retailers. Various chain retailers use a version of the equal store organization. They generally have these attributes. There are many functional divisions such as merchandise management, distribution, omni-channel, operations, real estate, personnel, information system, and sales promotion. Overall authority is centralized. Store managers have selling responsibility. Many operations are standardized, like fixtures, store layout, building, other designs, or merchandise line, credit policy, store service, etc. And an elaborate control system keeps management informed. Some decentralization lets the branches adapt to locales and increases the store manager responsibilities, although large chains standardize most items. This is how an equal store organizational format that is used by the many chain store. So in this figure we can see that there is a president, there is a legal staff, and the same line comes from a for a research or director. They are in a same line. Under the head there can be treasurer, sales promotion manager, general merchandise manager, operations manager, then branch store manager, omni channel manager, and based on the function they want to perform, the items are again classified. So this is the equal store organization format that is used by many chain stores. So this figure should typically show how an chain stores typically perform their work, or how the equal store organization really work. And the next one is organizational arrangement used by diversified retailers. A diversified retailer is a multi-line or firm operating under central ownership. Like other chain, a diversified retailer operates multiple store. Unlike typical chain, a diversified firm is involved with a different type of retail operations. For example, Groger Co. is a company which operates a supermarket, some warehouse store, some super centers, some convenience store, some jewelry store, and it has also a manufacturing group. So this firm owns different multiple store chain in each of its retail categories. So every product or every geographic organization structures can be seen in this. So that's